Good morning, Tyler. Hey. Hi. Hey. You want this? Oops, sorry. Dropped it. Here you go. It's from Grandma Sandy. She got these blocks for you. Hey, good morning. Oh, there you go. Catch. Can you catch? Whoop. He got it. Oh, yeah. That's what he's having for breakfast.
Oh, you made coffee?
Yeah.
Have you been up since you woke up at 6?
What'd you say?
I said, have you been up since you woke up at 6?
Yeah.
Or did you go back to sleep?
No, I've been up since 6. Drank my coffee, read the newspaper. Hey. No, wrong one. What to do? What to do? We have too many toys.
What have you been doing since 6?
Read the newspaper, cut out my coupons.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Tyler! Hey! Tyler! Hey! Hi! Hi! Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Tyler. Good morning. There's Coconut. Say good morning. Oh, Coconut. There's Tony. Good morning. Yeah. That was some good sleep. Good morning, Tony. Yeah. 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 What you doing over there, Tony? Oh. Catch, Tyler. Catch. Whoop. Dropped it again. Catch. Whoop. Catch. No. Catch again. You got it.